Today, we will talk about how to store furniture. Let's have a look at the details. Furniture takes up a lot of space, especially as it accumulates over the years. If you're looking to remove excess clutter from your home, but aren't quite ready to get rid of a piece of furniture for good, your next move is to find some out-of-the-way place to store it. No matter where you decide to store your furniture, it's essential to take steps to keep it in good condition and maximize your space both around your home and in your storage area. The first step is finding a place to store your furniture. Rent a storage unit. If you don't have enough room in your home to keep unneeded furniture, or if you need to get it out of the way in the long term, your best bet will be to secure a dedicated storage unit. Commercial units come in various sizes, allowing you to choose a space that best suits your needs, and usually come equipped with other features like climate-controlled spaces, and sometimes even damage insurance. Use an attic or basement. See if there's enough room for miscellaneous items in the upper or lowermost areas of your home. Attics and basements can be quite convenient, since they tend to be well insulated, and you won't have to go far to move the furniture in and out of its new. Stash smaller items in a closet. Closets are another storage option that works best for compact and single pieces of furniture. Take apart a coffee table and slide it into a nearby supply closet or stack chairs or cushions against the back wall. Make room in the garage. If space permits, set aside a corner of a freestanding garage or work shed to stow hard-wearing furniture, like card tables, folding chairs, and metal and plastic outdoor pieces. Extremes in temperature aren't good for wood and upholstery, but you should have no problem leaving solid synthetic materials in a minimal structure indefinitely. The second step is storing furniture safely and efficiently. Store large pieces vertically. Turn sofas, mattresses, and long, low cabinets on their ends, and stand them up around the edge of the storage space. Fit the upright furniture close together to reserve valuable territory for broad, heavy, and oddly shaped pieces on the floor. This is a much more effective use of space, as it frees up more area for storage and allows air to flow between items. Disassemble everything you can. Most tables, beds, cabinets, and lamps can and should be dismantled whenever possible. In many cases, you can as much as double your storage potential by breaking your furniture down into its smallest form first. Wrap delicate items. Padded furniture covers, bubble wrap, or plush towels and blankets all work well for this purpose. Line the floor. Drape a few plastic tarps or moving blankets over the floor of the storage area. A plastic tarp can also act as a barricade, blocking out moisture and buffering extreme temperatures. And the third step is protecting against environmental conditions. Use furniture covers or drop cloths. Covering all major pieces of furniture as soon as you put them into storage can keep them from undergoing drastic changes in temperature and limit the amount of moisture or dryness they're being exposed to. Furniture covers also prevent dust from settling on items that are in storage for long periods. Keep your storage area at a mild temperature. If you're already paying for a storage unit, it may be wise to spring for one that's climate controlled to ensure that your furniture stays in good shape. Watch out for moisture. Moisture causes almost all fabrics and materials to deteriorate at a much faster rate. It's also hospitable to bacteria and mold, which can lead to the discoloration of upholstered items and give them an unpleasant smell. Before you store a given item, make sure it's completely dry and has a way of covering it or otherwise protecting it from moisture, environmental or otherwise. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.